You know, when we get into these discussions about VAT, people don't discuss VAT. Others come to us, they say that if you do away with so and so, we'll vote for you. Or we say you will even vote for 0.5. Anything as long as we are in. Now there's no principle there. And then others, they say, no, we want the following things which are already debated and are in the pipeline of discussion in terms of the reforms for the country. Even in the ANC, we have not begun to discuss, but they are there, out there, in terms of discussion. Nothing to do with the budget. On the sideline, we'll support the budget if you give us the following things, including 0.5%. So, this story they are selling to the people that we are the giants, we want VAT to be cut off because it's because of us. It's not true. That VAT is cut because the ANC agreed. Otherwise, we would have gone into something that I don't know how will it be defined. The ANC agreed with political parties that came to the fore who did not have conditions. Okay, we agree, let VAT go. Now we've got new sources of revenue, and that is how it happened. So, lenye to go to the courts wouldn't settle this, was to basically grandstand.